Hello everyone, today I'm making Warme Worsie Smoortjie, also known as penny Polonies. You see, there we go, bought at the butcher. Okay, so now I'm gonna, my pan is nice heated. I've got one large onion that I've chopped up. There we go. Oh, guys, I'm feeling a bit under the weather, but I always say, no, the show must go on. And for those asking, here's my spoonies. This is it. Okay. Now I'm going to let this fry on a medium heat, and then I'll just get ready the next ingredients. Got some garlic here. Some chili. Oh, I'm going to wash this off. Be right back, guys. Okay, so I'm going to add some chilies. This is not hot chilies, it's mild actually, so I'll add more. And you can cut it any way you like. Go. And this is a very easy meal, and very popular here in Cape Town, very popular. Please comment below where you or your parents or anyone you know normally went to go buy penny Polonies or Warme Worsies. Penny Polonies because in that time it costed a penny. Okay. You're probably wondering when I'm going to stop with this chili. You don't have to put in this amount. This is just the way we like it here. Okay. Guys, I am one of my favorite knives that I've been using for years. I mistake threw away. You know when you throw away things in the bin and you're in a hurry? Dan gooi jy sommer jou hele troesel weg. Your knives, forks, whatever. Oh, that happened to me now. Okay. So, I'm just going to chop the garlic and we'll be right back, okay? Okay guys, let me just move this a bit closer. Yeah, let's put it there. There we go. Now I'm going to add my garlic, 2 fat cloves. If you have just one, just throw in one. This kind of meals is not supposed to stress you out. Okay. Oh, and I forgot to add the it was also known as Worsies. Okay. Worsies. And it was those meals I remember growing up. My mommy would get a spoon. Always get it on a Wednesday. And just a teaspoon of salt. Some black pepper for now. I'll add it in later. And this is 50 grams of tomato paste. If you have some extra tomatoes laying around, add that as well. If you want to use it up. Okay. And now we're just going to cook this through. for a few minutes. I'm also going to add some sugar. And whenever you use this amount of tomato, you're going to add sugar, right? And while this is happening, I'm going to cut up my worsies. Okay, I'm going to add a little water, Smoortjie water. Okay. No, it's okay, Opa, come inside. I'm making one of your favorites.
No, just going on. Let's be looking out for that.
Opa, Opa. Oh. Okay. No, you can come in, no problem. Okay, now we're going to add the worsies. And normally by this time, you know, you're eating one already. Okay. So I'm just going to continue doing this, guys, and we'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of sugar. Okay. And if you want to make a bigger amount, just add more tomato paste, more tomato. If you want more gravy, add more onions. It's entirely up to you. If you want to add crushed chilies, a bit of paprika. This is just a plain and simple way of making it. Easy. Okay, and now, believe it or not, add some water, about a cup's worth, and now this will cook on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, let's just check how things are going inside. Look at that. So I'm now going to butter some bread, which is here in the house our favorite accompaniment, or what we would like to eat with this Smoortjie. Oh, water my mond. My mouth is... The smell and the taste of this takes me back to every time I eat it, every time my parents bought it, every time I go and buy it. Looky. Okay, and next we're gonna serve up and eat. Okay guys, I've moved to the island of the kitchen, and here I just have 2 slices of winkelbrood, shop bought bread, and I like the Worsie, love it a lot, with lekker butter. And I'm going to dish up now. Oh, here we go. There we go, nice sauce. And there you have it, guys. Warme Worsie Smoortjie with witbrood and lekker botter, penny polonies, and of course I'm going to taste a little. Oh, here we go. Yes, guys, one of my all-time favorites. Bismillah. The sauce, soak it up in that bread. Here we go. Oh wow. Oh, so good. So good. Here we go. So this was about 1.5 kilo of warme worsies. Like I said, make it to your taste and have any side condiment you like. Okay, here we go. That's so good. Anyways, guys, before I forget, let me say goodbye and finish this food. It's so good. So please, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be back again with another video soon. Oh yes, come rain or shine. Okay, bye everyone.